3 steps on how to make a playlist on TikTok. So first off, we need a business account. How you can change your account type on TikTok. You press on profile, then you click on the 3 lines in the top right corner. Then we select settings and privacy. We click on account, the first option. And then the third option, switch to business account. Now that's the first and easiest step. Just press on next, give them a little bit more info, what your creator account is about or business account. You can skip the email and this maybe later, and you're all set. Okay, that was the first step of how you can create a playlist. Now the second step and requirement is actually having 10,000 followers. You need 10K followers in order to create a playlist. So if you're behind that or you don't have enough followers, you won't have access to the feature. Now, if you have both a business account and you have the 10K follower requirement, you have met it. If you still don't have the feature, what you need to do is write to the support page. So I'm going to click on the 3 lines right here again, then settings and privacy. Scroll down until you see report a problem. Search for an issue. You want to press on it. Then here you type playlist. Like that. How to create and manage a playlist. You select the first option. Was this helpful? No. Need more help? You click on it, and here is where you give them your feedback. I'll give you this template. You write something like, I've met the criteria for the playlist feature, however, I still don't have access to it. Kindly assist me. And then you click on submit. So those are the steps you can take in order to get the playlist feature. If you want to have a business account, you have 10K followers, and then you write to the support page. If this helped you out, leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time. Bye.